We are live, ladies and gents. Good morning, everybody. Get yourself a cup of coffee. Do a nice little episode today on crypto. And yeah, let's talk about Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is, drop below. That's your head and shoulders here. Okay. Most people ignoring the head and shoulders, which is okay. They're always late. They always get wrecked. All right. Now, you have this major resistance zone. Okay, it actually goes all the way to here. Major resistance. Now Bitcoin is now at bouncing from the 98K. Okay, bouncing off the 50-week MA. It's probably gonna get a bounce. Can be a big bounce. But you get a major resistance here. Even if it's gonna bounce, I'm expecting it to get rejected here on this area of resistance. Maybe go a bit higher. Who knows? We'll see. But at the moment, very bearish market environment. So the bounce can be very short-lived as well. It can be a fake bounce, and then it's gonna dump more, and then you're gonna get a bounce, So it's not have to really bounce now. But yeah, you get signs of like you can get a bounce from here. You can see this bottoming tail here from this area of support, important support. Bounced actually, from went under 100K all the way to 104. Yeah, can definitely continue bouncing. But the moon boys and the clowns, they will expect a reversal from here. They will expect this, and we actually not in that camp. We believe bear market is coming. These moon boys telling you bear market is not coming. The ETF, the Michael Saylor, the Tom Lee, all the rubbish, the Fed, all the nonsense they're telling you. The Fed will save us. No, it will. The Fed cannot save you. Bitcoin is about to cook the world. yes. It's gonna do what it's always been doing for the last many years. Okay, we're talking about many years. If you look just from 2018, see this trend line. Cannot break above it, you're going down. This trend line is the cycle top trend line. Here you had a crash, 90% bear market, between 80 to 90% correction, bear market in the following year after this rejection. All right, we have Jomo is here. So yeah, we're gonna talk about it now. But yeah,
CM, what's up? How are you doing?
I'm good, man. How are you?
Man, I'm coughing. I have the cough of the after effect of an illness. So I'm in the cough right now, but at least I'm getting better. My whole family is getting smashed by this. It's because of, daycare and stuff like that. Anyways, we talked about this in the past. CM, what a trade we had yesterday. Ooh la la. We're going to talk about it in just a few minutes, but man, oh man, yesterday's trade, man. Booyah.
Yeah, man.
That's
While
what I'm
while
talking about.
people getting wrecked, losing everything, man. We're printing doubles. Unbelievable. Actually, that was a triple, but yeah.
It was a triple. It was a triple in an hour. It all happened in one specific hour, CM, actually. But we'll talk about that in just a second. I see that you're talking about Bitcoin. I see that you're talking about the trend line. So here's the deal, all right? The deal is this. We have compiling evidence, all right? It's not just a one-off thing, right? We have compiling evidence that this bull market with high probability has reached its finale, its end, all right, and topped already. One thing that you shared right now that I noticed is the trend line, right? The multi-cycle trend line that we haven't been able to break above it and usually mark the top. That's one thing, right? But people can say, hey, CM Jomo, you know what? That's all nice and dandy, but it's only one piece of evidence. Okay, what about the fact that we violated, all right, the 50-week moving average, for example? Which right now it's right on the brink of being retested again, and we need to wait and see what happens with that, right? So that's another piece of evidence we're collecting. Third thing, all right, how the topping process, the fake outs we had, everyone is, oh, good news is happening, but bad price action is occurring, right? These nuances no one is really talking about. No one is trying to figure out the market, all right? No one is trying to give it a sniff. Everyone is trying to, reiterate what they want to believe is about to happen. Everyone wants the bull market to continue, CM. Some people think that the bull market is just now starting. Have you seen some of these posts? Oh, alt season is among us. It's right upon us. 100x's. You know, have you seen some of these? CM? What do you think about that?
Oh yeah, I'm gonna search for this clown, man. I'm gonna search on it on X. I know a clown that is insane. I'm gonna find his. Oh, look at this nonsense. Oh wow, look at this nonsense, man. Just watch this nonsense. This is unbelievable. Now you know what? Also funny. What also is an indicator, Jomo? They are not really watching anymore the channel so much because we are clearly bearish, you know, and they are not watching the channel. They cannot really, they're in disbelief. They cannot really, they start hating on, you know, on me, on other people, you know, that telling, hey, the top is in. They are hating on these people, and they are cheering this kind of nonsense. I'll show you this.
Show it to me.
This is like, what's going on, man? Look at this trading Bitcoin account on X, okay? If history repeats itself, Bitcoin could reach 265 soon. Bro, what are they talking about? If history repeats itself, Bitcoin is going to 20K next year, okay? You know?
Exactly.
What the fuck are they talking about? Like,
he's cherry picking. He's cherry picking what he wants to show, right?
Bro.
So what he's showing is like, if the end, right? If we, so if, you know, what is he showing actually over here? He's showing, what happened in the 2020-2021 bull market. So he's saying, look, if what happened in 2021 will happen now, so this is what's going to happen. But that's stupid. It's silly. It's not even a valid kind of proposition, CM. He's saying, if what happens in 2021 happens now, this what will happen. But that's kind of stupid. It's just like saying, yesterday, you know, I won the lottery, so tomorrow I'm going to win it again. No, that's just stupid, man. It's not even a serious proposition, CM, because what's the evidence? Just one cycle, CM?
Bro, this is a scam. He is actually showing the 2017 cycle. This is the 2017 cycle.
True.
It's not the 2021. If you
True.
look here carefully, you see that was the bottom, you know, that's a mega scam. And they write in here 2020 to 2021. That's a fuck. Oh my god.
You're right. You're right.
People need to unfollow this scam. You are a scam. I'm gonna write it down.
Write it down, man. You are a scammer.
A scam. You piece of shit. Shit.
Man.
Let's continue with the X.
Come on. We found the scam live. Ladies and gentlemen, come on. Give us a like. Subscribe to the channel. We find scam in real time. Come on, man. This cannot even be invented. We just found a real scammer live, man. Anyways, man, I don't know. This is just, it is what it is. It is what it is.
Look at this guy. Bitcoin looks absolutely amazing. When you zoom out, it's really a beautiful chart. Who is this clown? Who is this bitch, man?
Wait a minute. Who is this Crypto J dude? Look what he's saying. But Jomo, the Moon Boy, said no more bear market. ETFs are here. When did I ever say that? Who is this Crypto J, man?
This guy also showing you that the saltiness of the people, they coming up and they blaming us. You know, people blame me. They told me, hey, you were bullish last week. People are insane. They losing, you know, you can see the emotional flowing, the realization of loserness.
I think he is making a laugh or something, because I don't even know when I said this, whatever, man. And also he's saying that we have the best VIP and he's highly recommending it. So he's a member. Dude, Crypto J, man, I don't know what you're saying over here, man. Never say something that I never said. That's not even funny, man. Not even funny.
This guy always bullish. Is the permanent all these bullshit acquiring of like the ETF and the funds.
Yeah.
You know, Cathy Woods bought 83 million balls of Bitcoin. You are scared. Whales are buying while you're scared. Look, people need to understand. Institutions, they are not God, okay? Even if they are buying. Remember, institutions are run by baboons as well. They will get completely crashed. You know, institutions got smoked in the dot-com crash and in the '08 financial crisis. People think if institutions buy, Jomo, if institutions buy, it's gotta go up. It's gotta go up. Man, what if they are wrong? And I'm telling you, they are wrong. This little girl, Kathy Wood, this little filthy girl, she made everybody on crypto lose everything in the last cycle. She was buying the top and calling for like 250, 300K. People are completely cooked, you know?
This is the Kathy Wood ARK, you know, index. Look at this. She had an amazing bull market in 2020, 2021, and that's it. She got smoked. She doesn't know anything. People, and this was where she was buying infinitely more, you know, cryptos and stuff like that. Everyone was like, oh, Kathy Wood is buying here, Kathy Wood is buying here, Kathy Wood is buying here.
Look
Everything
how,
went down.
you know how it looked like, this top. My MSTR looked the
exactly.
same now.
Yeah, very similar.
MSTR look the same now. Look what's gonna happen to MSTR. Exactly what happened to this. Man,
she's smoked. Really smoked, man. I can't believe people are following the. It's like saying, you know, it's like being me and you, CM, we're like cheetahs in the jungle. Okay, we're cheetahs, and someone is coming to us saying, but the whale, not the whale, the elephant is eating this. Why you, the cheetah, are trying to eat something different? I'm a cheetah, bro. I'm not a freaking elephant. That dude, that girl, she's an elephant. Give her what she wants. That's it.
Man, he says the moon boy said no more bear market ETFs are here, not you. All right. So.
Oh man, I'm sorry, man. I'm sick. You hear me? I'm coughing all the time. My mind isn't working well.
We're going to ban you from the live, Jomo. Get yourself together, man. What's going on?
Oh man, sorry, man.
CM and Jomo.
I know when to say I'm sorry. Yeah.
Highly recommended the VIP. Oh yeah, man. We are the only service that's gonna print and printing in a topping process and in the bear. Just, you know, people don't understand. They're all gonna get cooked while we are cruising. And you know what's gonna happen, Jomo? In this upcoming bear market, what's gonna happen to people in our service and to us, obviously? Our accounts are gonna double, maybe triple in the next year, or maybe even more. All right. And, you know, we will be able to scoop Bitcoin later in an investment trade later, okay, like let's say in 2027, early 2027, late 2026, with 4 times the capital we have now, which is 4 or 5 times higher than the beginning of the cycle. People just don't understand the power of compounding over like 10 years period. Okay, that's why we highly recommend lifetime membership. Join lifetime membership. You're suited for life, sorted, man.
I had a lifetime member join yesterday, CM. Yesterday he joined. Yesterday, okay? His first trade, man. CM, this I can't even, you know, I can't sorry, I can't even, you know, how do you call it? Make this up. I can't even make this up, CM. Okay, so I'm gonna take a picture now. His first trade, okay, his first trade, and I need to kind of make sure that people don't see his name over here. But in his first trade, he made all his money back, man. In just one single trade, CM. Okay, he made all his money back. Okay, that's it. That's how you want to be doing things. Okay, you want to be doing things, which is making decisions to join our lifetime, okay? Just like this dude over here, okay? Perfect, let me do it done. And now I'm gonna share this with you because I can't invent this kind of stuff. This was to my Telegram over here. There you go. Now you guys can see it, okay? This is from the Telegram picture, it's screenshot, of course. You can see it's from today, okay? You can see it's from today over here. And you can see that he said, thank you, Jomo. Also, man, that swing trade is absolutely insane. He made 136% on his first trade as a lifetime member.
No leverage, guys, no leverage.
No leverage, no leverage. X1, that's how we always say, no leverage. We don't use any leverage in our trades. And because you don't need to use leverage when something can do you in 2 hours a triple. You just need to know what to look for, CM. That's all you need to do.
Oh yeah, don't use leverage, guys. You're gonna get yourself cooked.
Definitely cooked, man. Look what our friend Roger is doing over here, man. And we're gonna get back to other ones. Roger is saying he's shorting ZEC with an average price of 490. He's currently underwater. Roger, we once talked. You came to me on X, and you told me that the reason you moved from becoming a trader into a long-term hodler, okay, is because you were losing as a trader and no one can do it. Okay, and me and CM, we proved you wrong multiple times. So first of all, thank you for the courage, stepping up. It takes courage, and you're doing that, okay, over here. But what you're doing is probably, again, trying to do the same bad thing that you have done. Me and CM, we would never short Zcash. You want to see why not? If you take a look at the weekly chart on Zcash, look at it. It's going parabolic. You don't have even a 1 week down just yet. Nothing. It's only going up from a weekly perspective. And not only from a weekly perspective, it made this 8x in just a couple of weeks. Why on earth would you short such a strong coin or try to catch the return? Let's get the turn of it. No one tries to catch turns, all right? That's not how you do trading. So, Roger, look, you try to move from being a trader unsuccessful into a hodler. Right now, I don't know how that's going, hopefully well, back into trading, because right now your long-term hodling is not doing anything. We know, because we know the coins that you've been doing, okay? Instead of doing all of this, Roger, just join the membership. You've been watching us for over a year now, okay? Instead of doing the same things that made you lose in the past, join the effing membership,
Bro.
Roger. That's
I don't think he will be okay in the membership, because he's a loser. We work only with winners, man. Actually, I don't think he want it, man. I don't think he want him, man. He will make you lose your mind, man. He's a loser. He's a perpetual loser. He says that all the time. He's shorting now the best coin in crypto. It's like, what the. Leave him, man. Leave him alone. Now, I want to show
I
you
can help anyone.
You cannot help a horse, man. A horse or a monkey. You cannot help a horse, man. I'm sorry, man. Some people are just horses, like they're not even people. They're like baboons, man. Where is my X? Let me show you my X, man. Yeah. Oh, I found the guy. I found the scammer. This is one of them. Yeah. This is Merlin the trader, some scammer from Europe. Anyway, he is calling. You see, volatility reset complete. Bitcoin next move won't be small. You see, it give you like buy signals, blah blah blah. Look at this. Bitcoin corrections feel like bear markets. Woohoo! Prices. Now I'll tell you, all these clowns now watching the 50-week MA. This is the big problem. It's now became a crowded trade, a crowded indicator, which increased the probabilities of failure of a bounce. Now, it's increased the probability of a failure. The whales know it, the market knows it, and the market going to fuck all these people, man. It's gonna happen, man. It's probably gonna happen. Now, look, this guy is telling you, oh, they are buying Ethereum. Tom Lee says the fair value of Ethereum is 12,000 to 22,000. Man, are these people they are insane? What? Are they insane?
You know how winners look like, CM? This is how winners look like. Me and you on our membership yesterday, okay? We said November 5th, soon trade, buy it, add on the breakout, so double the entry, okay? This is the chart, just for you guys to understand. Double entries, right? Each blue line is an entry over here. The red line was the stop loss. First entry, the 79.66, and then on the 109.51. Let's take a look on the chart. What happened to it? It went bazooka, CM. We've seen some bazookas happening lately, man. But this is, outrageous. It happened in 2 hours. In 1 hour, actually, CM. In 1 hour, it went bazooka, okay? So this is the live trade. You can see it over here. Where was the entries? Remember, first entry was here, and second entry was the 109. Look at this, okay? From the first entry, we had a triple. By the way, as I said, it happened in an hour, okay? In an hour. you had it, or 2 hours, okay? So this was, where is the thing that measures? Oh, it went, I deleted it for some reason. All right, here it is. So from the first entry, we had a triple. Well, actually, almost a quadruple, CM. From the first entry and from the second entry, we had, yeah, almost a triple. This is amazing, okay? And it all happened, you know, because we are professional enough to take these trades. So this is how winners look like. People that are professional come, precise entries, okay? Precise entries, when to get in, stop loss, always risk management in mind, taking the trades, bam, huge trades, okay? This is huge trades. And by the way, we have people over here, CM, asking about how to join the VIP service. You can go check it out. Scan the QR code, okay? I'm gonna share it over here. Scan the QR code, go check it out, scan it. You have all the membership types over there. This is the regular VIP. We have the elite VIP, which is the coaching CM and I give. You can get on a phone call with me and CM today. If you take the elite VIP, this is for people that have, you know, multiple six figures or are very serious and want to change their lifestyle. Now you can take the elite, scan the QR code for the elite, whatever, okay? Take any of these. And of course, I wrote also in the description also the link for people that are on mobile right now. What are you showing us, CM?
Yeah, man, that's the link, man. Just click on the link, guys. It will take you to this page. You can choose. If you are a serious investor, you deal with big amounts, you want the best service in the world. There is nothing like that. Join Elite VIP, okay? That's for serious people with big amounts of cash. Now, if you and they want the best service, if you are just a regular guy, you know, just take a VIP package. Doesn't matter. Jomo or CM, you get all our trade alerts, all our market updates, general support. Now, this is for 4-month package. Now, the 4-month package, you know, it's actually very dirt cheap as well. Jomo dropped them as well, a coupon for the VIP. You know, we highly recommend the 4-month package or the lifetime. You can lifetime on these because if you just join for 1 month, you're probably not gonna last because how too long till you find man, mute yourself when you cough. Do me a favor, man.
I'm muted.
No, you're not. If I hear you, if I hear you, you're not muted. So man, just take a lifetime of any of these, man, because really, if you join the service, you know, and you're like, if you're joining the service and for 1 month, it shows that you're not committed. You know, this is a process to make you a lifetime winner, lifelong trader winner. You will not be able to do that if you just join for 1 month. This is why our 1 month option in our trade alerts is kinda priced higher if you divide it to the VIP, because we don't want people to come to 1 month. This is complete waste of our precious time and energy. We want to give the best energy and time and effort for people that are willing to commit to becoming lifelong winners, traders, gangsters. That's what we're looking for. Elite people. We're not looking for these clowns. Man, I got a clown last month. He joined one day. He said, oh, he joined after we smoked the entire crypto market. All these doubles and triples on H, on Light, on Jelly, on all of them. He joined and he texted me after he joined, like 2 hours. Man, I don't know what to do. I don't get any trade. Like, man, I gave him his money back. Leave me alone, you piece of clown. I don't have time for you. Go F yourself, man. You think people think we have time for these creeps? What we do, whether we don't care. We go up. The accounts are going up. Members are going up. Everything going up. Progress, continuously progressing. You know, you want to join? Join. You don't want to join?
Yeah.
Oh, join.
Exactly. By the way, yeah.
Jesus.
No, that dude he was a clown for sure, man. Less than 24 hours, requested a refund. People don't get this. And by the way, I gave something special here on the screen, a 20% coupon code called Live20 today. It's just for today and tomorrow, right? For people that are on this live, we can take a 20% off our memberships, okay? Go check it out, live 20 today. It's just for the day, okay? For the next 24 hours. Use that on our memberships if you want to join, you know, take it. Now, John made 26% in an hour, man. He made more than I did on this. Look, so this is what you need to understand, CM. You said that we continuously move up, okay? But people need to understand that we are not magicians, all right? Yes, we're market wizards, maybe, or okay, maybe in the future market wizards, who knows, all right? But we have a process, okay? And that process was curved in hours and years of experience of bad, good, amazing, you know, hellish type of trades, mistakes, everything happening. And we have more than 2 decades of trading, you know, combined together, CM and I. Okay, it's not like every trade we pick is going to be a winner. I'm probably wrong at least 50% of the time. But the thing is that when we are wrong, we just take a small loss, very small loss. We have a stop loss. Boom, I'm out. But when we are right and we have these type of huge trades like we had yesterday on Soon, okay, where I say people, hey, you can take 5% on each trade or each entry, and then they make a triple on that. They made 30% on their account in 2 hours, a 30% return in 2 hours on their full account. That's what moves the needles. And we have multiple. Last month we had like 500 or 600 percentiles, me and you. Okay, so the consistent work pays off at times like this. Okay, this is not magic. This is pure professionalism. Okay, I want people to understand that. And you can join us, as we said. If you want to see how we do it live, just join the memberships and you will see it. That's it.
Yeah, man. If you have any questions, guys, drop it now. We're going to wrap it soon. Yeah, man. Let's look on some charts. Let's look on some charts. Where's my charts, man? Let me flip to this screen. Oh, no. Replace.
CM, why didn't you tell me that you're not hearing me well?
No, I hear you well. That, you know, about the muting nonsense.
Yeah, because my microphone was not using the Yeti microphone. It was using my headphones over here for some reason.
No, it's okay. It's okay. I think you have a little bit. You're confused a little bit. I never said I didn't hear you well, man. Today.
No, I said why didn't I thought that maybe you're not hearing. Anyways, we'll talk about it later, man. It's not important.
Anyway, let's look on some Ethereum. Man, this looks bearish. Okay, you know, this looks bearish. It might bounce, but this looks very bearish. This was a failure here. Drop support, cooked. Even if it's gonna come up, probably gonna be amazing shorting opportunity. I'm gonna add to my shorts. You know, cooked. Let's look. By the way, Possible made a bearish retest. Possibly, let me show you a clean chart here. Maybe, could be, no one knows. But at the moment, got a big bounce yesterday on ZBCN. But look where it stalled. It stalled here at the 35 level. So it was a very strong support. And now currently it's a resistance. We'll see if it can break above it. You might go higher to test these resistances, but I don't know, man. I'm very skeptic about this bounce. It looks like
on ZBCN.
Yeah,
man. Yeah, it looks like a bearish retest. Well, anything can happen, right? But I will, you know, I will bet my money that this is a bearish retest. If it does break below, man, and we're, you know, add to the shorts we had.
Yeah, man. So that's ZBCN. Let's look on this trend line as well. We have it.
What a pity on ZBCN, by the way, man. What a pity, man. It had almost no moment of glory. This coin, man, I was seriously thinking at one point in time this can, you know, become a true, you know, mofo. But it had just one run and that's it.
Look what is happening, like man. It's coming down below its prior all-time high of April 2024. That's a bad sign. And yeah, man, the thing is, maybe that was the cycle for ZBCN, you know, that little thing here maybe some guy told me, hey, that's or maybe that was a one, okay, is a scammy crypto style of a cycle, like a 1 2 3 4, and the fifth is a lower high, man.
Mm.
It's could be, man, could be a lower high here and really I was expecting another huge pump on Zebek, but again, it it failed to break above resistance, and I told everybody, hey, you don't want to see him losing this trend line. You don't want to see him. It's once it lost this trend line, that's it. It became extremely bearish here. It's very bearish here, and yeah, it's not looking good. Let's look on Kaspa, which Kaspa is going to doomsday. It's going to zero, man. Kaspa is going to zero, Jomo. Look at this crap, man. Look where it's at. Closing below these levels now, below the 58 on the weekly. We're talking about this is the fourth week. If it close below it, below the low of March, that's bearish, man.
I remember when someone told me that Kaspa is not going to go below 5 cents again, like 2 weeks ago, man. I don't remember who that was.
Oh,
And it went.
Roger is bullish on it for sure. Anyway, man, Wrecked City is coming, and what funny is people, all these clowns, man, that it's their first cycle, they are buying the dip. That's what's funny. When they buy the dip, they expect Bitcoin to keep going to new highs. That's what they expect when they buy in the dip. What they don't understand is at some point the dip will just keep getting deeper and deeper and deeper and deeper, especially on your scammy altcoins, and you're going to lose 99.9% of your funds in the next dip.
Man, it is like this. People buy the dip. They think it's the best thing ever until, the fat lady stops singing. And then it's not funny anymore because then you're just buying on the way down, on the way down, on the way down. I hate it. I hate it. And you know what I hate even more? I hate when big, known KOLs, people talk about it. Way, 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 way too much. For example, this Raul Powell dude, man. I watched an interview with him from a couple of weeks ago, okay? And he's saying the best opportunity is just always buy the dips. Just always buy the dips and wait. Buy and wait. Buy and wait. As if it's a magic wand, okay? I hate it. It's just because it's unauthentic. No, it's not true. He said that he's fully concentrated in Sui, by the way. He sold all his cryptos, CM. He sold all his cryptos and he's only in Sui. Let's take a look for just one moment how Sui looks like right now, man. That's what he said. He said he's all in on Sui. Okay,
Really?
that's what he said. Yeah. You can go check that interview. I'm not. You can go check it out. It's on Words of Wisdom. So this is how Sui looks like right now. Okay, now I have no idea when he sold everything. He said that he sold all his Solana for Sui in this cycle. Okay, that's what he said. I hope he didn't get liquidated, CM. What do you think? Did he got liquidated over here?
No, he's not. If he's legit and genuine about his shit, he's not trading with stops, man. He's not getting liquidated. Just buy spot and holding, man. This guy is a diehard hodler, and he's gonna get cooked, just like all these people, that are calling, because we've been in a eternal bull market since 2008. That's why he says this stuff, because they are not, the market just saved them. The buy the dip strategy is keep working non-stop. If you do the math, if you do look on the history since 2008, the buy the dip, even since 2000s on some stocks, the buy the dip is just keep working.
Very selective stocks, though, not on everything, man. Right?
Yeah. But they can say, hey, look at the history. It's working already since the last 26 years. That's why they tap themselves. That's why we are in the biggest bubble of history. That's why the next crash is gonna be very painful for many, many investors. And I'm talking about also all these big hedge funds. They're gonna get liquidated. All these MSTR, the ARC, all the ETF, they're gonna get bankrupt, man. Bankrupt, man. If they're not gonna if they're not gonna sell, let's say, once Bitcoin triggered a bear, they're gonna get liquidated, man. It's for sure, man. For sure. It's like gonna be like Celsius last cycle. Celsius and Darrow Capital and all these hedge funds that got liquidated. It's gonna happen to MSTR, to all of them, to BlackRock, to then get cooked.
Man, this Tom Lee dude. I think he's a snake. Wow, man. I can't believe MSTR is looking. Oh my God, man. It's looking so bad by the second, man. MSTR.
Oh, by the way, I want to show you guys something, that might happen this week. Finger crossed. I hope for it, but probably to happen. It's this stuff. Look at NVIDIA, Jomo. NVIDIA went up this, I think, a couple of days ago. Last week. Was last week? Yeah, I think last week it went up to 210, 212. Then it dumped a little bit, bounced, made like a double top, and now it's coming down back below the 200. You can see, Jomo, that's like a head fake. A head fake above the 200, and come a few days, and coming down below it. Now, if NVIDIA start coming down, taking the 50-day, dropping below this uptrend, man.
Also, CM, something that you didn't note over there, but it's something that I noted just now with you, what you are showing over here, CM, is that if you enlarge, show that area a bit bigger on the daily time frame. Yeah, just exactly. More, just this circle, I want you to zoom into this specific area where it just moved out. Okay, so you see it gapped up initially, right? And then gapped back down, creating something called an island. Okay, this is called an island where you have a gap up, and then a couple of days later you have a gap down, and both it's like it's free floating. You see, there's no connection between the two sides.
Yeah. I know what you mean. Yeah.
Exactly. So that's called an island pattern, okay, or in stocks. Now it marks a reversal, either from the top or from the bottom. Okay, now that's why exactly those two. Okay, it's called an island. Let's wait and see if this was a fake out. I remember we talked about this, and he said, you know what, Jomo, if this goes back below 200, something's fishy over here. And I definitely can agree with that. Let's see what happens with NVIDIA. If NVIDIA topped, the market is topping because it's the main leader of the stock market. And again, the stock market doesn't necessarily go in tandem with with crypto. Crypto might have topped much earlier. So, and that's what we are believing right now at this current moment. Anything can happen. We might be wrong about things, but hey, right now we're just making the ROIs count, CM, and that's what matters eventually. Are you on the chart yet, or can we remove the chart? That's what matters, right? What matters is making those ROIs, okay? So if you want to come and see that soon trade, you want to be part of it, the soon trade we made yesterday, for example, more than a triple, almost a quadruple in 2 hours, okay? More trades we had last month, more than doubles. We had a few shorts before this soon long. We had a few shorts working in our favor, okay? IP short, Pluma short, ETH short, and more shorts we took while the market was breaking down, okay?
I'm still short, man. Short, man.
Yeah, for sure. I actually closed them.
Shorts open, man, ready to print, and we're going to add to them more and more. We have few open shorts that are up 40% on a short in like a week. People just don't understand what we can do for them. What can they make if they commit to service like we offer, and really they just don't understand. It's a complete change of mindset, of paradigm shift, man. Because before us, people are baboons. They don't know nothing, just hodlers, baboons, nothing. They join. They become a breakout traders, short sellers. They they manage risk. They trade with stops. They look on charts. They become professionals. It's like this the movie Steering Wheel. You put a baboon on the beginning of the steering wheel. Then it goes into the VIP. There is like a little room here. The steering wheel go inside the baboon. Enter the steering wheel. That's our VIP service. All right. Then you go out. You go out like a unicorn, like a beast. You know, like an MMA fighter. You know, he's on it. You know, he own it. You know, he owned the market. He own it. He can.
You know
navigate
what?
the market.
I will say something even better. The person that signs up, the moment he signs up, he already becomes a person, and then we put him on that, you know, that motion where he becomes just more evolved unicorn at the end. Because if he made the decision, he's no longer a baboon. Then we just make him just that
No. He
better.
might once he sign up, he become a chimpanzee. He's still some some kind of a baboon, but he need to go through the VIP service. You cannot just sign up, because we had some sign-ups that didn't really practice, didn't really study, and they left after a month. They came baboons, flipped to chimpanzee, then they flipped back to a baboon because they never really absorbed and stay and committed to it. You know, it's a process. People need to understand it's a process. We're not like you're gonna join and then I 10x my account. It's not gonna happen, man. Forget about it. It's not gonna happen.
No, that won't happen.
We're not gonna do it. No one's doing it. You know,
no
it's total bullshit. This is a process on the long run. Instead of thinking hodling will save your life for long term, be a trader for long term. Study, become a trader for long term. You're gonna see your account flashing the correct signals for you. Tell you, oh yeah, I'm doing something right. My P&L is going up. My P&L is going up consistently, but you need to go for it for the long run. This is not a one-day trick pony, okay? No. This is not a sprint. This is a marathon. This is a journey for a better future. That's what you do.
I agree. No one is trying to tell anyone that they're going to 10x. If someone wants to 10x, please don't come to us, man. I'm not going to 10x anything. For sure not, okay? We're going to make you, you know, ROIs. We're going to show you the path. But if you're looking for 10x's, then you're just like that dude that came and after 24 hours, blah, blah, you know, just said, oh, no, you didn't make me 10x in a day. I'm out. Don't come.
Mr. Kumar, you are a Kaspa hodler. I feel very sorry for you, sir. I talked about Kaspa. Kaspa is cooked. You can watch all my videos on Kaspa. It is cooked. It is dead. It is in a bear market. You want help? Join the VIP service. If you have more than 50K, check out the Elite VIP. And yeah, man, we cannot help you. You need to join the service, and then you can help yourself. If you are a hodler, no one can help you, man. We are traders. Stop being a hodler, become a trader. Hodling will cook you, man. It's a scam.
I agree. Yeah, right, Sam. We can bounce also, right?
Yeah, let's bounce, man. I'm busy. Thank you guys for watching. Smash the like, subscribe, join our VIP. We'll see you in the next one. Cheers.